Alright, drone lovers, buckle up, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro is looking like it might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest leaks and insider updates. So here's the scoop: new pre-release photos have landed, and they're showing off some serious upgrades. Plus a mysterious new button that might just blow your mind. First off, yes, it's still under 249 grams, but this time, it's rocking a 1-inch sensor camera and LiDAR. That means incredible low-light performance and obstacle avoidance, even in pitch darkness. And here's the kicker: it still falls under the CO class, so you dodge a lot of those pesky drone restrictions. We're talking a 6K-worthy feature set, 4K at 120 FPS video, true vertical shooting, a Med Tele mode, and that crazy 330-degree gimbal rotation for wild cinematic moves. Oh, and 36 minutes of flight time, not too shabby for something this tiny, and yes, it uses the same battery as the Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro, so DJI might finally be building a proper ecosystem here. Then there's the new silent propellers, the quick swap design, and that strange but intriguing new propeller guard. But what's got everyone talking is that secret side button, reportedly letting you launch the drone without even touching the controller. Fold it open, press the button, and you're airborne. As for the release date, DJI is aiming for September 2025, so the countdown is officially on. If this leak is legit, the Mini 5 Pro might just be DJI's most versatile consumer drone ever. What do you think, best upgrade yet? Or just another hype cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're first to know when more leaks drop. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.